This is my fifth install. Fifth, five. Hey boo, welcome back. Today we're getting into this hair right here. Do you remember this video? I posted this video in the beginning of January. I've had this hair in for 7 months now. 7 months. Okay, so I'm back with a more thorough, completely full review on this hair. All right, I rate hair on 5 different stars. 1, the price point of the hair. Is the hair worth the price? 2, does the hair shed? Because if the hair sheds, it's trash. 3, does the hair mat or tangle? Because just like shedding, if it mats or tangles, it's trash. 4, how long does the hair hold a curl? And 5, how long does the hair last? So let's get into it. I go into full detail about the price point and every single one of these points in my last video. So if you want the exact breakdown of the price point for different bundles of this specific hair, go ahead, watch this, come back here. But price point of the hair, I paid $231.47 for a closure and 3 bundles. I had a I think I had an 18-inch closure, 20, 22, and 24-inch bundles, okay? And all of that came out to $231.47. This is hair from Moon Hair Factory. I don't know how I didn't mention that before, but this hair is from Moon Hair Factory, and it is raw virgin hair, okay? This is the place where these hair companies are getting hair from and reselling it to you. So we taking out the middleman, all right? We going straight to the vendor. This is a straight to the vendor Indian sourced hair, all right? This is the best hair that I've had in shit. What was the last place I had really good hair from? The last place I had really good hair from was, I have a video on it, something Luxe. It was something Luxe. I don't think they sell hair anymore, which is a tragedy because they have really good hair. But that's the last time I had really good hair. And now, this is my go-to vendor, girl. No, this hair does not shed, okay? It sheds to like normal. Like, I'm not combing my hair and hair is just all over my bathroom. I'm not running my hands through my hair and this hair is just all over the place. It sheds normally. So I'm not going to say it does not shed, but when I hear the word shedding, my mind automatically goes to like shit, like clumps of this hair is coming out of my head and what the fuck is going on. So that's not what's happening here. This hair does not shed. This hair does not mat. This hair does not tangle. This hair is not dry. The only thing I will say is when I purchased this hair, I purchased the wavy hair, and what I noticed in purchasing the wavy hair is that it sucks up moisture. Like it sucks up humidity. And I did something to the hair, okay? And what I did is I added this smooth transformation, like smoothing treatment to the hair. Ever since I added this smoothing treatment to the hair, humidity where? Humidity does not exist. And I feel like it made the hair even better, okay? Even better. So matting, tangling, none of that doesn't happen. So it doesn't hold a curl in the way that a yaki will hold a curl. It doesn't hold a curl in the way that maybe a Brazilian texture type hair will hold a curl. These are raw bundles. Like when I say raw bundles, okay? And when you think of raw bundled hair, it's coming, I mean, it's crazy to say, but it's coming from somebody's scalp. And most of these women that we get this hair from, which is again crazy to say, their hair does not hold a curl. Like, you know, I've seen people say, oh, like raw hair, like it doesn't really hold a good curl, blah, blah. It's not really gonna hold a curl. Like you're getting the hair in its most raw state. The hair is not being processed or, you know, treated in any type of way to hold a curl, you know? So It doesn't hold a curl in the way that you would think to hold a curl. Like, you're not going to curl your hair and it's going to hold that exact curl for hours. What's going to happen is you're going to curl your hair, curls are going to fall, and then you'll have like looser curls. So getting this hair, don't expect for the curls to last a long time, because they're not. How long does the hair last? Okay, I've had this hair in for 7 months. Okay, 7. I've had multiple different styles with this hair. Okay, this is my fifth install. Fifth. Five. My hairstylist, every time I brought this hair back to her, she was like, girl, you still using this hair? I'm like, yes, this is the same hair from my sew-in. So I've had 2 sew-ins with this hair and 3 quick weaves with this hair. And if you watch my previous video, it started long. And I kept it long for a little bit, and then I cut it to like maybe like here, and then I wore it like that for a little bit, and then I cut it into like a shoulder length bob, like collar, kind of collar. Like I cut it to like a collar length bob, had that in for a little bit, and then I cut it to a chin length bob, which is the bob that I have here. So when I say this hair lasts and the quality is still giving, this hair lasts and the quality still gives. For $200, I'm gonna round that up, $232, 7 months, 5 installs. Yes, she's that girl. She is that girl. What I do want to add is that I used a 20% off coupon. The coupon that I used, that I mentioned in my first video, does not exist anymore. That coupon code does not work, but they do sometimes have coupon codes at the top of their screen on the website. It may be 20%, it may be 25%. They may have different deals on different things, whether it be specific bundles or specific closures. So when you go on their website, you'll just have to check and see what discount they got going on. But yeah, I wanted to make this really short, really sweet, get to the nitty gritty. This hair is bomb, okay? If you are looking for a good hair vendor straight from the source, this is it. Oh shit, also forgot to add, I don't want you to be surprised, they do not cover tariffs and duties. So when you purchase this hair, you're going to get your hair. It's going to come via FedEx. It comes really fast, like in a matter of like 5 to 7 days. A couple days after you receive your hair, you're going to get a letter from FedEx saying that you owe them between, depending on how much you buy, you know, I don't know. But for me, I got a letter a couple days later saying that I owed like $18 and change. I'm just like, $18 and change, like what the fuck? So I reached out to the company and I was like, hey, like I got this from FedEx. I pay you also pay for shipping. You also have to pay for shipping. So I'm like, I got this from FedEx. What is this? And they're like, oh yeah, we don't cover duties and tariffs, so that's on you. So I just wanted to add that just in case you do end up buying the hair. But I think it's worth it. It's lasted me a long periodically time. If you're interested, I'll have their information linked below. I will be back with another one. I'll talk to you soon.